Hi, my name is Amit Balse and I'm working with Zydus Pharma based in Mumbai. My overall experience is almost 20 years plus. I'm into training and development for the last 15-16 years. This program was recommended to me by my colleague who has completed his ISTD. And initially, when he recommended this program, I was a little apprehensive on the NLP because I felt that being in training profession for last 15 years, I think I knew a lot about NLP, but practical implications I was not sure of. But when I came to this program, I think this whole program changed my perspective of how NLP works. I knew the terms, but that was all bookish. But the real implication of how to use NLP is was taught very well in this program. One aspect of NLP is the implementation part, right? You have to practice it. And I think during this workshop, the practice session, the role plays that we did really helped me to gain confidence in doing this in my practical life when I go back. My own experience of having the phobia with heights, right? I'm very scared of heights uh, because of the incident which happened during the childhood. And I expressed this to the trainers during the workshop. They both helped me to overcome this through the technique, which they call it as a switch technique, and it really helped me to overcome the challenge. Now, of course, I need to sitting on a giant wheel or going to the top of the building. I could not even imagine that, and my experiences have been very bad before this. So I'm very confident now. When I think about it, I'm very confident that I will not have that kind of nervousness, right? So that one big change has happened in me, and I'm sure if I go there, I may have a little bit here and there, but I'm sure I can handle that now. That confidence has come inside me, so that's very helpful. And speaking of this workshop, the two trainers we have, Mr. Vinay and Mr. Preetham, both have immense patience. They are very good trainers. Most importantly, they address the participants' challenges one to one as well. So during the break, they try to give their personal attention to the participants, which is very helpful. I think it's very important. Learning the concept is one part of it, but application of those concepts, doing hands-on during the session itself is a very big thing. So initially, I told you when I thought about NLP, I've heard NLP is a very long-term program, and but now when I say 4 days program, whatever, I think it's very sufficient when you are hands-on. So I think this workshop has changed my perspective of looking at things, and it has helped me, or maybe as a trainer, I'll be able to deliver much better and change lives of people. Transformation is something which I'm looking at. I've been doing it in the past, but they were in patches and not as a sequence or as a process. But NLP is now helped me to put them into a process. So now I feel very confident, and I recommend that people should do NLP. They should do NLP with these two gentlemen because they will take care of it. They will give you the app theoretical knowledge, and also they help you to gain experience through role plays. I think it's a wonderful workshop, and each one, whether you're into HR, whether into training, whether you are a manager or you're a team lead, whatever, even as a parent, even as a child, you have to do this NLP because it gives you different perspectives of challenges, and it also helps you to overcome certain fear or maybe some kind of challenges you may come across in life. It's a great workshop, and all the best. Thank you.